All right, guys, I am going to show you guys how to make this cute little box right here. It could be like a cookie box. It could be a t-shirt, whatever you want. But I'm going to show you how to make this adorable box. Super easy from the dollar store. I grabbed these t-shirt boxes here. And it comes 4 in a pack. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to grab this cute little one right here. Super simple. You place it down. What are you going to do? You are going to fold it up to here, up to right over here. Hope you guys can see that. Fold that. Okay. And then you have this. And then you're going to open. And you're going to fold it again like this. Fold it again. And then you're going to open, and then you're going to see these 4 creases right here. Grab your scissors, super easy. Cut and cut. And cut over here and cut over here. Easy. Open it up. And open it up. Grab your tape. This is the only tape I could find in the house. Grab a piece of tape. And I don't need it that big. And then what are you going to do? You're just going to grab these little sleeves right here. And you are going to tape it right there. There we go. You are going to tape it right there. Yes, my boys are awake. It's almost time for them to go to sleep. And then you're going to tape it right there. And that is it for your box. That is it. So right here, I got 2 boxes that I could put cookies in. I could put whatever I want in here. Super adorable. And you can also do it with the back. You could do it with the white if you want to decorate it, or the kids decorate it. It's super fun, super easy. Here it is. Look how adorable they turned out. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more fun DIYs. And give this video a thumbs up, you guys. Thanks so much. Till the next one. Bye.